Maybe you find yourself in a situation where you are looking at workers' compensation, and then all of a sudden, as you've proceeded down this path, you get a large amount of documents, that initial paperwork. It can be very overwhelming. That's what we've been able to learn from our friend Catherine Stone from Injury Florida Law, who is back with us today to dive into this and help if maybe you at home are in this. Catherine, it's great to see you again. How have you been?
Good. How are you?
I am
Thank you.
well. So
As
let's go
always.
ahead. Catherine, we've talked about deadlines before. We've talked about how you have to do things by the book when it comes to workers' compensation. So then all of a sudden, you get a big stack of paperwork. What do you do?
Right. Well, the first thing that, after you've had an accident, the state of Florida actually mandates that your insurance carrier or the workers' compensation carrier sends you what we call the initial package. And it's called the initial package because there's a lot of forms in there and a lot of information in there that by state law they are required to notify you about, or they are required to provide you with that form. There's also some forms in there that you are required to fill out and return, or your benefits could be cut off. So that package, that initial package that you get from the insurance company, could probably be a half an inch thick. And oftentimes, when I'm on a new case and the case is relatively new, the first thing that oftentimes happens is the client calls in a panic that they've gotten all these records. I mean, all these documents from the carrier, and they don't know what to fill out or how to fill them out. And so we have to walk them through each page almost and explain what the document is. What documents must be signed and returned. The fraud statement, basically, you're confirming, that's the biggest one. You're confirming that by pursuing this case or having reported this case that you are not committing fraud. They are legally allowed to demand that that form be returned. So that's one of the big ones. There's some information in there with regards to statute of limitations within the work comp system that they legally have to inform you about. They have to tell you whether or not they're managed care, because there's a different set of rules with regards to managed care. And managed care is not as prevalent as it used to be a number of years ago, but there are still some instances where managed care is in place. And also forms, mileage reimbursement forms. But the form is just in there with no information about how to fill it out, when you fill it out, or what you're allowed to fill it out for. There's medical authorization forms. And that's one that I take big issue with because it's just a blanket medical form. You don't know where they're going to be sending this or who they're sending it to. And under the law, if it's an authorized medical provider that work comp authorizes, that provider should not require a medical authorization form. So there's forms in there that I tell clients do not fill out. And then there's other forms in there that I say you must fill this out and send it back to us.
Catherine, it's interesting to hear you kind of dive into the ones that you're like, no, don't fill everything out. Because I'm assuming there's people out there that just wants to say, hey, you know what? I'm showing that I'm doing my part. I am taking action. I want to fill out everything. So I think this is such an important thing to get across to people, not to go ahead and send some of these back, but you wouldn't know without someone like you on their team.
Right. And I tell clients, look, we're here to basically walk you through the process because you don't have anybody on your side. The carrier is only going to tell you what they're legally required to tell you. They're not going to tell you the things that aren't mandatory versus the things that you might be eligible for or not eligible for, or that you have to do it in a certain way or a certain manner. For instance, a request for a one-time change. I recently saw a carrier try to say that that request had to be on a certain piece of paper or a certain form, which is not true. So that was just something new that I had seen. I hadn't seen that a carrier respond like that before. So that initial package is important. Don't throw that initial package away.
Definitely don't do that. And if you've got more questions and you find
Don't throw it away.
don't throw them. I like that. I think that's what we need to maybe start every segment. Don't throw away your paperwork. But you know what you can do too? Get Catherine Stone and her team on your team. Of course, be sure to reach out to her. There's her phone number and website.